Hey, math detectives! Today, we're learning how to break numbers into parts using part-part-whole diagrams and bar models. Partitioning means taking a whole number and breaking it into parts. For example, the number 24 can be partitioned into 16 and 8. We can use counters or blocks to show this. A part-part. Whole diagram has one big circle for the total and two smaller circles for the parts. If the whole is 24 and the parts are 16 and 8, we place 24 at the top and 16 and 8 below. A bar model shows the whole number as a long rectangle. We divide the bar into two smaller sections for the parts. This helps us see the connection between addition and subtraction. By partitioning one number, we can build four facts. 16 plus 8 equals 24, 8 plus 16 equals 24, 24 minus 16 equals 8, and 24 minus 8 equals 16. These show that addition and subtraction are inverse operations. Try the worksheets below to practice partitioning and building your own number facts.